Alright guys, today we're gonna be running my brother Evo against this car. And as you guys can see, this car is stock. Next, we got another stock Evo. You know, stock. How much power are you making?
Doesn't matter. Today we're gapping Evo bills.
Okay, let's see it. He wants to trash talk. Alright, give us a sound clip. Sound nice and stock. It's loud. Alright, you ready?
I'm gonna gap you with AC.
Okay, he's racing us with AC. He's trash talking. Alright guys, we're in Mexico. We're gonna get this run in. Hopefully everything goes well.
That was a good race though. See, his car is fast, but top end, you know, because it's turbo, it takes a long time to spool. That was a good race though. He got back top end. I couldn't even hear my car. All I heard was his car, even though he's behind me. I still hear his turbo from back there. That's crazy.